Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Zoe Graziella and today I'm reviewing the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just going to give you a little overview about the palette. So there are 35 shades. The palette costs $18 US dollars, but if you get it from Ulta always has those $3.50 discount coupons, and so if you purchase it with that, you will only be spending $14.50, which I think is great for 35 shades. Now it's not always in Ulta stores. It was in the Ulta store by me, but Ulta doesn't always have it in stores, so if they do not have it in stores, do not worry. You can go to the store, order it in the store, and you can still get your discount. So you shouldn't be spending more than $14.50 on this palette. I did a look using this palette, so I will have that linked if you want to see that. And I'm just gonna swatch the shades and tell you what my thoughts are about the palette. So as I said before, there are 35 shades, and then at the bottom there is a white shimmer shade that has little pink flecks in it, and in the center there's a black, and to the right there is another white shimmer, but this one has more green flecks in it. There are 15 matte shades. The yellow and green mattes are a little chalky on application, both while swatching and also when putting them on the eye, and they also have less pigment. Now there are these 9 satin shades that I call semi-shimmers because they have little shimmery flecks in them, but they're still matte. Now I don't really like these just because a lot of the colors are the same and some of the colors are really pretty, but I wish they were actual shimmers. Then there are 11 full shimmers. Some aren't as pigmented as others. This reddish pinkish shimmer shade is my favorite. It applies amazingly to the eye. So my final thoughts about the palette is that it's a good palette. It is, I'm not gonna lie. There's a huge range of color. The color story is really amazing. So I would rate the palette a 7.5 out of 10, and my reason for a 7.5 is that although there are 35 shades and its original price is only $18, some of the colors can be a little chalky and slightly disappointing. The pan size is also really small. I thought personally the pan size would be a lot larger when I looked at it online. I just assumed that it would be bigger. I thought it would be more of like a Morphe pan size, but it is not at all, which was slightly disappointing. Also, a lot of the semi-shimmers, as I called them, the colors were pretty, but I wish that they were actual shimmer shades. So for me, that was a little disappointing. So that's why I'm giving it a 7.5. Now, I will link videos using this palette so you have some ideas for using it, and I will also link other palettes that are similar to it from different companies. And I have used this palette in another video, as I said before, so I will link that down below as well. And I will be doing some more videos using this palette, so if you want to see some look ideas with this palette, I will have those coming. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!